Hi, I'm John Alesi. You've probably asked yourself, how much down payment do I need to buy a home in Mission Viejo? In this video, I'll give you some surprising new information and dispel some old incorrect information you might have about down payment requirements when buying a house. And make sure you watch to the end of the video to hear about zero down payment programs. So let's jump in and get started. The traditional belief by 65% of buyers is that you need 20% down to purchase a home. While there are 20% down loan programs available, it is not the only way to get a home purchased. Today, lenders have created loans with 3%, 3.5%, 5%, 10%, and of course 20% down. There are even loans that have zero down payments. But more on that in a minute. The most important thing to know is that these programs are more widely available than you think, and you may qualify for one. Calculating down payment and monthly payments is much more complicated than simply knowing how much the home costs. Many factors will influence the numbers, such as income, debts, credit history, job history, length of the loan, and many more. For example, you might qualify for a 20% down loan, but you might also be able to get that same loan with 3.5% down, which would of course raise the monthly payment significantly, but would preserve your capital. The deciding factor in this equation might be the fact that you have a high monthly salary, which could absorb those higher payments and leave you with money in the bank for improvements or other uses. Credit history will also affect your ability to get low down payments. Your FICO score is probably the greatest factor in securing a loan. A high score will give you access to the very best interest rates as well as many more loan programs. Conversely, low credit scores will limit your choices. You still might get a low down payment, but your interest rate will be higher than someone with top-notch credit. So here's a breakdown of some of the down payment programs that are currently being offered. With conventional loans, you can get down payments of 3, 5, 10, and 20%. FHA, the Federal Housing Authority-backed loans, can have as low as 3.5% down payment. But now one thing to remember is that loans with less than 20% will need private mortgage insurance, which I'll cover in an upcoming video. Next, VA or Veterans Administration loans can have zero down as a benefit for your military service, as does USDA, the Department of Agriculture loans. You don't need to buy a rural property to get one of these. Your suburban home may qualify for a zero down loan. Again, there are many factors in determining what kind of loans are available to you. One of the best things you can do at the start of your home buying process is to get together with a mortgage professional and have a discussion about your situation. With some basic information like income, expenses, debt, and savings, your lender can tell you about some of the different programs that might work for your situation. Well, congratulations if you've hung in to this point. As I promised, here is some bonus information about getting into a home with zero money down. There are loans available where you can get a 97% loan along with a 3% loan to cover the down payment requirement. Some programs vary, but one company offers the 3% as a no-interest loan that does not require a monthly payment. But it'll just remain on the title as a loan, which must be paid off if the home is sold or refinanced. There are even grants available which will cover your closing costs, so you could possibly get into a home purchase with only $400 out of pocket. Check with your mortgage professional for details about these loans, or contact me directly for more information. So if you're thinking about moving to Mission Viejo or the surrounding area, send us a text or give us a call, send an email. We're talking to people every day about moving here and enjoying the Southern California lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, give it a like or thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll see every video that comes out. If you have any comments or questions, just leave them down below. And I'll see you on the next one.